she come out but the level come out about how them a check Macka. Me say how them a check Macka. I show she come so then we find I show you about it.
No, sir, but me hear say, me did think me hear like Macka said true because him and your friend, people kind of say she a lower our standard and them something there, you know.
What kind of lower standard?
You have to listen to what Macka, Macka did not defend you, so you have to listen to what she has said. But a lot of people have a problem through you and Macka a friend, and I don't understand why, because Macka is a woman, and I like say Macka a man. Macka is a woman, so nobody knows.
Miss Blinga, me now look on them. Me strong and healthy.
But look at this, look at this. Remember, look for me and you. How comes nobody never did that? Say anything bad when me and you was together.
And that me say.
You know, see people in the crosses.
Crosses.
Thank you. You can't run to me, Derrick. Ask the people them for power tap and roses, like everybody else.
Yeah, top of the scream guys send some and little thing from the
send something people this not look good, then I scoring. You know, put me a top 20 my side, come. Cause by you quit me drop down.
That's true.
They are wrong, my love.
My said I sing song. Can you sing song? And she have been there. She have been there back in the back. You hear about it?
When I watch them, they sing thing them I love. Derrick, me can't bother with them. They say then they in a class. All people name. Me can't bother. Me stop cuss people now, Derrick. Me don't cuss now. Me give them the different side of me where them not know now.
Okay.
Me tired of cussing. Oh, you manage it. You're not tired?
Me tired. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. So me not bother. To nobody. Me not to nobody.
You look rested though. You look like you get some rest. Cause your face look fresh up like you get rest.
Yeah. Miss Blinga, me just don't want little place. I want little place me want.
That's my problem. Me not understand big Jamaica and nobody out there can find one room for you. When I know this must crosses.
You know me want to do one, me have to do one little more. When you don't know your life, make up life. We're not going to go back. When we talk about Island TV have everything for me, Miss Blinga. And she make a curse one over me.
Who that?
Island TV. She have me up on YouTube channel and her page. Everything me do, she post it. She make crazy money. Me want to talk about it. The girl are wicked, Miss Blinga. She too wicked. Everything me do, she post.
Thank you guys. 2 more roses. So she a big vlogger.
Yes. Yeah. We need Miss Blinga. We need to report our page. We need me take everybody to report our page and do everything of our page for me. Island TV. See that?
So she never give you anything yet?
Nothing. The girl give me. The girl have been name. Every video me have, the girl take them off and put on her page. Every video. We have to talk about it.
So how much subscribers she have?
You know, me don't know if you go back and look for it when I'm done later.
Why me not really look on them people? Derrick, you would be surprised to know that I don't watch people. I don't watch them. Because I can't bother with them. Them are liar.
Each and everybody go and take on our page now.
Listen to me. Your name is Derrick Morgan. You can report her page because that is your content.
Miss Blinga, me do it already, Miss Blinga. Me not see nothing come out type. Me Blinga.
No, because you're not doing it right. Ask somebody to do it for you if you have a problem with it. Because you tell YouTube that this is you. This is you, Derrick Morgan. Or one Derrick. Make them know say it's you. You share put up. And you don't want it no more. You don't like it. Have she ever given you anything?
No, Miss Blinga, she don't give me $1.
So maybe you need to reach out to her and say, listen, you're always putting me up. I'm out here begging. You can help me out with something.
But Blinga, me not do it. Me tell her if it asks, she don't do me. She join with this other people that me name on our life. Use my content and create over things on our life and make the girl and come on our life and I done me. Yeah, that wicked girl, me not pan her. Me don't want them take on the block a page and share with my things them. A full time now. See that you need 50% of our earning. Yeah, see everybody talk about it. The two wicked Miss Blinga. We have been talking about it, Miss Blinga.
Ask the people them if she monetize and how much. Ask them over there in your chat how much subscribers she have. Them will tell you. Ask the chat.
People on the live who have to know what subscribing.
Yeah, she have.
She have.
Who not tell him. So what she dey on YouTube with it?
She have them on YouTube and TikTok.
The YouTube one you can't report. The TikTok one, I think you can report the TikTok one. So, but you need to ask 17K on YouTube. So that means she monetize.
Yeah, that's what everybody say.
But once you tell YouTube, they're going to take down her content because of you up there and you make complaint. You have to ask your manager or somebody around you to show you how to do it or let them do it for you. I don't want to say too much for my name go call, coming on a look.
But nobody can do nothing. It need to stop, Miss Blinga. It need to stop. She's too wicked. If you
give you something out of the earnings, this coming like the man. My side, this don't look good and I push up the score. What may I do with 57?
Tap the screen, guy. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap 10 something that. Let me read from morning. I know at 10 o'clock. I know it from morning. I found last time I panic, Found last night I panic. I will come on this man, I see her,
Okay.
Every time I go about a couple of Miss Blinga call, me know so some of them are liars to see.
Them are liar, I lie them I tell.
You know, liar drunk or them.
And that's all them doing a walk from life to life and make problem. You didn't know?
Yeah.
I said this one you say and tell life on this one yeah.
Now look on them.
So let me ask you. When the single drop, not it's supposed to last week, it's supposed to drop.
She got up, she got up,
Me know, but me I said no last week the single is supposed to drop.
Yeah, I'm not hear about it. Me and she are going, You know about it?
No,
yeah,
son. Alright,
yeah.
So that's good.
I look something along, me can't get a little money to buy one little pull over, little something for job.
Ask the people them. Them will send it come here. Guys wanna help him go came man. What not do man?
Time for ask, Miss Blinga, time for ask.
Yeah, Macka click a live and ask. You wanna click a live and ask, you will get it. Me there rock because my auntie dead.
So you come back?
Yeah.
Miss Blinga, when you come back, if you link me back at Jamaica,
I think me can try see if me find a day. Cause every time I come, I'm always busy. Come on, man. Everybody focus, please and thank you. We are ranking. I want to get to top 20 and take a break and come right back. Come on, people.
Tap up the screen, guy.
Yes, Artido is okay. 4 roses, my side.
I was shot to them to get shot.
The same one where they on TikTok with the 2 women them.
Oh. You got your friend.
Huh?
You got my man there. But me a call. Then say no one wrong somebody. Tap the screen, guy. You send something for Uncle Derrick. Please and thanks.
My side, push up the score. Come on, 2 more roses. But Derrick, you know say me dep on a live with Jayden like a while. Yeah, cause Jayden say fi top say the things them boy you.
Me not look upon him. Me hear him talk when I say about part. What you mean? In me dream art at all, in me dream. I mean I help Jayden because you see a lot of me them a chat Jayden say, oh him began work licks because him a rank every day and he can't buy clothes and I run me have to buy clothes for me. Me not help him, a dirty man. Him always out a half a tree. Me not look at him always a half a tree out of one plaza. I would say him harbor. Now look on him. One girl tell
My
me
side, power tap the screen. Everybody power tap. Focus, power tap.
one girl said Derrick, no look on him because every day me see him with half a tree. Don't look. Cause me not tell no lie, Miss Blinga. Me not get up now early man at 6 o'clock before day and the pan ranking every day. Have on the one suit, they have on the one suit and they want to come rank with me. You crazy?
Him say, him buy 10 of the same thing, Derrick.
Him not buy no clothes. And him buy no clothes. And my mother give him the clothes. Him too liar. Top up the screen. I rummage give me clothes. Him too liar. Too liar and wicked. What am I do with money?
Well, and then, me see him foot Blinga. Him post it. Foot for foot. Come on my side. Push up the score. Everybody focus. Let's go. Guys who want to go to top 20, somebody send me an interstellar lion, a whale, a tiger, something will run and roar, something will fly.
Don't argue no, but don't argue nothing today.
Derrick foot. You see Derrick foot?
Don't do my foot.
It bump up bad. Wait, what happened to your foot?
What am I say what?
Me see Derrick foot, it bump up bad. Impose it.
Miss Blinga.
Why, Derrick? This your internet, yeah. This your internet not easy. Why, Derrick, this score? Them not scoring at all. But, yeah, what? Little more.
Yeah.